Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to solve the question before us. We are told that the product of these two expressions is equal to what? A root 21 over b, and then we are asked to find the value of a and b, which are real numbers. In solving this question, the first thing I'm going to do is to apply this rule of indices. Let's remember that x raised to power a over b is equal to the b root of x raised to power a. So in applying that to this question, this denominator here forms the root. So our denominator here is 2 each time. The root that is going to form is square root. When it is 2, it is square root. So our question is actually square root of 3 over 2, all raised to power 3. The second one is square root of 7 over 2, all raised to power 7. What do we do next? The next thing I'm going to do is to split these two powers between them. So this is 3 raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power 3. Then by this side we have 7 raised to power 7 divided by 2 raised to power 7. What do we do next? The next thing I am going to do is to find the square root of each of the terms here. How do we find their square root? To easily find the square root, I am going to split each of them. This 3 raised to power 3 will be splitted as 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. The 2 raised to power 3 will be splitted as 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2. The 7 raised to power 7 will be splitted as 7 raised to power 6 multiplied by 7, and then 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by the 2 again. So what I did was to get an even number from those powers so that I can easily get their square root. Now for this side, we are going to split each of them again into square root of 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by square root of 3. For the denominator, square root of 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by square root of 2. For this side, I'm going to split that as square root of 7 raised to power 6 multiplied by square root of 7 over square root of 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by square root of 2. So now we can easily find their square root. For this side, the square root of 3 raised to power 2 will give us what? 3 times 2 there is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So we're having 3 root 3 left for this numerator. For this denominator, 2 raised to power 2 there is 4. Square root of 4 is still 2. So we're having 2 root 2 as the answer for this denominator. Then coming to this side, what is the square root of 7 raised to power 6? The square root of 7 raised to power 6 is equal to 7 raised to power 3. 7 raised to power 3 times 7 raised to power 3 is 7 raised to power 6. And 7 raised to power 3 is equal to what? 343. So we're having 343 root 7 there. For this one too, the square root of 2 raised to power 6 is 2 raised to power 3. Now 2 raised to power 3 will give us what? That is 8. So we're having 8 root 2 there. So when you multiply these two numerators now, you would have 1029 multiplied by root 3 times root 7 is square root of 21. 2 multiplied by 8 here is 16. The root 2 times the root 2 is 2. Then the 16 times the 2 gives us 32. Now do remember in the question that when we simplify the question, our answer is going to be a root 21 over b. So as you can see from here, our a is now what? 1029, and our b is now what? 32. So the solution to this question is that a is equal to 1029 while our B is equal to 32. Thank you for viewing. For more exciting videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos.